Are Rytr versus Copy.ai, which is better for long-form content writing? If you're someone looking to create high-quality long-form content with the help of AI, you're probably wondering whether our Rytr or Copy.ai is the better choice for your needs. I'll break down the strengths and weaknesses of both so you can make an informed decision, and stay tuned till the end because I'll be revealing an even better alternative you might not have considered. Let's start with our Rytr. Our Rytr is known for its affordability and ease of use. The platform offers a wide range of templates that cover everything from blog posts to social media captions. It's incredibly simple to start using, even if you're a beginner, and it doesn't require a steep learning curve. You can generate long-form content, but here's the catch: it can be hit or miss when it comes to quality. Our Rytr often produces solid, concise text, but when you're looking for something more nuanced or a content piece that truly resonates with your audience, it can sometimes fall short. Next thing, let's talk about Copy.ai. Copy.ai tends to take a more polished approach, especially when it comes to its tone and creativity. If you're working on long-form content, Copy.ai offers more depth and structure in its outputs compared to our Rytr. The platform has features like a blog post wizard that can help you get started quickly, and its sentence generators are often a bit more sophisticated. But it's not perfect. The content generated can sometimes feel a little mechanical and requires more manual tweaking to make it feel natural or engaging. Plus, Copy.ai tends to be pricier than our Rytr, which can be a big factor if you're on a budget. The third thing to consider is content control. Both our Rytr and Copy.ai offer ways to refine the content they generate, but with our Rytr, you might feel more restricted when editing. Its AI is good, but sometimes it's hard to steer the tool in the direction you want for more complex, in-depth writing. Copy.ai, on the other hand, gives you more flexibility in terms of customization, but again, at the cost of usability. If you're not someone who enjoys tweaking AI-generated content a lot, both tools might require more manual intervention than you'd like. The fourth thing to look at is integrations. Copy.ai has more third-party integrations with tools like Zapier, Google Docs, and others, which could be a huge plus for people looking to streamline their workflow. Our Rytr does have integrations, but it's not quite as extensive. Depending on the other tools you're using in your process, this could be a deciding factor. Now let's talk about pricing. Our Rytr comes out on top in terms of affordability. The free plan is decent and allows for a good amount of content generation, especially for casual users or those just starting out. Copy.ai, while offering a free trial, is generally more expensive. The cost can add up, especially if you're producing large volumes of content regularly. So, if budget is a concern, our Rytr might be the better option for you. Finally, here's the most important thing. While both our Rytr and Copy.ai are solid tools, they each have their limitations when it comes to long-form content. If you're serious about high quality, in-depth, long-form writing and want an AI that's capable of delivering impressive results with less effort on your part, there's an alternative that stands out. After trying all of them myself, I recommend giving the first link in the description a try. It offers a free trial with exclusive benefits for our viewers, and it's perfect for those who want better content with less hassle. Both our Rytr and Copy.ai are good options depending on your specific needs, but if you're looking for something more powerful, flexible, and refined, you should definitely check out the tool I'm recommending today. Take advantage of the free trial through our link, and get access to features and benefits you won't find anywhere else.